Welcome to the second basic chords, G. Now, we have done C chords, up and down. G is very similar, except you don't play your tonic on C, your tonic is going to be on G instead. So this is what you're going to see. In this lesson, we're going to be covering the G major and the G minor chords. Let's begin. So, put your first finger on G, your third finger on B, and your fifth finger on D. That is your major triad chord for G. If you looked at the scale degrees video, or if you remember the scale degrees video, it's going to be the 1, 2, 3 degree and the 1, 2, 3, 4 fifth degree. Whole tone, half tone, whole tone. Since we already played the scales in the previous section, now you kind of know how scales work, and now we're going to play the chords according to the key signatures that we have already been through. So you play G with G, B, and D with 1, 3, and 5. Now we're going to move up to B, D, and G. The fingers are going to be 1, 2, 5. We're going to move up again to D, G, B with 1, 3, 5. And we're going to end it at G with the same fingers as 1, 3, 5. And we're going to go down with the G as the bass, with the D as the bass, with the B as the bass, and with the G. So practice one octave going up and down playing G. If you have to look at the notes, find them or anything, you can pause the video at any time, and you could until you could play it one octave like this comfortably, so you know where they are at, and then we could continue. Once you got your right hand down, now we're gonna go to the left hand. It's gonna be the same notes, same fingerings, 1, 3, 5. So we're going to go with G, then we're going to go move up to B, still 1, 3, 5. Then going to move up to D, D, G, and B. This is going to be 1, 2, 5. And then we're going to go to G again with 1, 3, 5. G is the bass, D is the bass, B is the bass, and G is the bass. Practice with your left hand until you can go up with with an octave and down comfortably. Now, once you got your right hand and your left hand separately, know pretty good. Now we're going to go together with both hands. So we're going to go G, G, B, and D together. I'm going to move up to B, move up to D, and move up to G. Now we're going to go down from G to D to B and to G. That is one octave, both hands going up and down. Do this until you feel comfortable. Good. Once you got both hands one octave up and down and you feel pretty good, now we're going to go down and up 25 times. With the scales, we did 50 times, 25 times skipping and 25 times straight. Well, with chords, you can't really skip because you're just playing them all at once. So we're only going to do 25 times up and down. Okay, cool. We just played the G major chord triad. Well, now we're going to play the G minor chord. So major, if you play the major chord and you move the third step half a step down, that changes from a major to a minor chord. Major chord, minor chord. Sounds happy, sounds kind of sad. See, there's a difference. So we play with the B flat added instead of the B natural. So this is 1, 3, 5 is going to be on G, B flat, D. Then we're going to move up to B flat, D, G with 1, 2, 5 as the fingerings. Move up again as D, G, B flat, and last time G, D, B flat, D. Move down as the G is the bass, to D is the bass, to B flat, and to G. Practice this with right hand until you could go 1 octave up and 1 octave down. So you know it pretty comfortably. Now we're gonna go with the left hand. Same notes, same fingerings as the major. So we're gonna go with the G, the B flat, with the D, and with the G. And now we're gonna go down, G, D, B flat, and G. Play 1 octave until you feel comfortable, and then we're gonna move on to playing with both hands at the same time. So we start off with just playing G, then we're gonna move to B as the bass, then we're gonna move up, and move up again. And now we're gonna go down to D, down to B flat, and down to G. When you could play 1 octave as G minor comfortably and you know pretty good, then we're gonna play 25 times from the bottom to the top of the piano. Try to go 4 octaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4 octaves. That is the G major chord and the G minor chord. We play the G major chord up and down. We know it pretty well on all the piano. And we play the G minor chord, and we know it pretty well on all the piano. Let's move on to the next chord.